year old. It's almost as tall as its parents already. Alright, now flamingos, they travel in a flock. So when one goes, the rest will follow suit. Yeah? Right now, I need a leader to lead the way. Ladies, are you ready to go back home? Let's give them a big hand, shall we? Ladies and gentlemen, that is Vicky, our red pine otter. 那是我们的犀鸟。Now, red pine otters, they are one of the largest flying otters you can find in this region. Isn't she a beautiful bird? Yeah. Now, in order for our future generations to be able to still see birds like Vicky on the ground, yeah. But in the wild, these birds they eat mainly fruits, but sometimes they do go for insects like dragonflies. They do catch it in the flies. Alright, now have you finished that little break of yours? Very good. It's time for them to make their way back home. Let's see if they're just as fast, yeah? You want to follow your friend? Okay, who wants to go home first? 1 and 2. There you go. Telephone together, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, now our next 2 birds coming out are going to have a game of basketball. That's right, now parrots are known to be the chimpanzees of the bird world. Very playful. Mars has Pocky. Pocky is our scarlet macaw. Utta has Sunny, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Okay, before the game starts. They need supporters, people on the side. That's right, all of you here. You want to show your support for Pocky? Clap your hands and shout his name. That's all you have to do. Something like this. Pocky, Pocky, Pocky. Okay, wait a minute. Let's try this all together. Louder. 1, 2, 3, go. Pocky, Pocky, Pocky. How's that, Mars? Very good. Keep it up. People on the side. One more time. Start. Ready? Do you want Vega to go first? Go. Well done, Star and Vega. Thank you very much, our 3 volunteers. Thank you.
Of the sea. So the next time, okay, you go to the beach, please do not litter. Because even a small plastic bag can be hazardous disease bag and other wildlife as well. But it's time for all these particles to head back home now. Yes, home that way. All of you, yeah. You too, all of you, go home. That way. Bye-bye. See you. Yeah. Now in Pedro, have you forgotten your fishing rod, Pedro?
Okay, saya nama cikgu yo.
墙壁，我的付出全都要不到回应，挥汗就像